Welcome to Southern Careers Institute. Congratulations on taking the first step towards your new career. My name is Jason Chapman. I'm the Director of Admissions, and I'm here to join you today to take you on a tour of the campus and introduce some of the staff that will be with you, supporting you every step of the way, from your first day of class all the way to your first day at your new job. One of our allied health offerings is our pharmacy technician program. Our pharmacy technicians are trained and licensed to be able to work in a pharmacy under the supervision of a pharmacist. This includes a variety of settings. Some of our graduates work for retail pharmacies. Others work for hospital pharmacies. Where you go is up to you. You're the one who decides your future. I'm always very excited to show off our medical assistant lab. Medical assistant students like you get a chance to work in a variety of different healthcare fields and do a variety of different tasks within that setting. Here, we get to practice and train on all of the back office procedures. That includes clinical laboratories, doing things like blood draws, phlebotomy, as well as doing injections or venipuncture, and more routine procedures like weight measurements or blood pressure. Medical assistants can also work in the front office and be a vital part of either a doctor's office, physician's office, clinic setting, or hospital setting. There's a growing demand for medical assistants like you, and I think you'll find this is the right field for you. This is our computer support specialist lab classroom. Here, you will train to become the next information technology professional. Most of our graduates work as help desk technicians, and some go on to our online courses to become cybersecurity experts. Most of our students will sit for the CompTIA Plus certification test, and others will sit for the Network Plus certification test. So if you want to be the expert that is needed more than ever to make sure that our computers and our information systems are running, this is the place to be. This is one of our classrooms for our business administration program. Business administration focuses on the management and administration of a business, including how to start your own business and be an entrepreneur. In fact, that's the certification you'd be able to sit for, is the Small Business and Entrepreneurship certification. I like showing off this classroom not because there's anything fancy, but because you can see how few seats are. This is what we consider a lecture hall. With classes this small, you'll get personalized attention from our real-world expert instructors. I'm here with one of our practice patients for our nurse aid program. All our programs are accelerated and fast-paced, our nurse aid program being the shortest amongst them. The nurse aid program is just 5 weeks. In just 5 weeks, you can train to become a certified nurse aid, or a CNA. CNAs work in a variety of different settings, helping nurses with patients on a regular basis. They help patients with ambulation or movement, as well as bathing, eating, and other daily activities that they can't perform on their own and need extra assistance with. Here at Southern Careers Institute, we have 3 different business programs. This first one is Administrative Assistant. We also have Business Accounting Specialist and Business Administration. For our Administrative Assistant, these are all the different skill badges you can earn as part of the program, as your admissions representative has surely gone over with you. We design these and develop these with our employers in mind. We meet twice a year with a program advisory board that helps shape our curriculum based on what employers want and are looking for in future employees. It's part of the reason why on almost every single one of our programs you'll see customer service. Every employer always tells us they want more and better soft skills. With the Administrative Assistant program, you're training on those computer applications that are being used at an ever-increasing rate. And so you'll be an expert at Word, PowerPoint, Office, and Excel, as well as general accounting principles and how to be a professional. The certifications you can sit for include those Microsoft programs of Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel. Here we highlight our Business Accounting Specialist program. This program teaches accounting principles useful in everything from bookkeeping to human resources. Some of the skills and attributes that our employers look for include being able to do payroll and accounting, as well as advanced Microsoft Suite, higher levels of general accounting principles, but as well as other things like how to keep internal controls, fraud prevention, and being reliable and organized. Most of our students in this program sit for the Intuit QuickBooks certification. So you learn everything you need to be able to sit for that test, as well as what to do in case the software goes down. Here's our student resource room. Students have this as a place where they can work on their homework and have a quiet place to study. I love showing off this room because I also like to highlight our tutoring. We have free tutoring available for all of our students within all of our programs. All of your teachers are here from 3 to 5 to provide free tutoring, as well as on Fridays from 8 to 12. We'll do whatever it takes to help you get ahead. Another one of our rapidly growing allied health fields is medical billing and coding. As a medical biller and coder, you're responsible for the business side of healthcare. You're taking everyday procedures and things that happen in the medical office and turning them into codes so you can interact with the insurance company and with electronic health records so that healthcare is able to happen. You're the organizational force behind everything that happens in that healthcare professional or that hospital. One of our allied health offerings that we highlight is our Medical Office Specialist program. The Medical Office Specialist learns both the administrative side as well as the particulars of working in a healthcare office. That includes things like HIPAA and electronic health records, and how to interact and be that organization and front face for healthcare organizations. Most of our students sit for the Certified Medical Administrative Assistant, the CMAA. We're always excited to show off our welding program. Our welding program is a fast-paced, accelerated program to get you ready to work in the field quickly. Our graduates can sit for 3 different levels of the NCCR certification, and we cover everything from MIG, TIG, stick, flux, all the compound welding, including working with aluminum and fabrication.
Hi, my name is Wanda Fleming. I'm Director of Education here at Southern Careers Institute in Pharr, Texas. We're happy that you chose us to help you further your education and to get on your career path. We're here to keep you dedicated to that choice. Attendance is important, so we will be making sure that you're attending, and we will partner together with you to get you where you need to go and what you want to become. And we're ready to help you go far.
Hi, my name is Rosa Medrano. I'm the Financial Aid Director here at Southern Careers Institute. We're here to help you with any financial aid questions that you might have or any concerns. I'd like to welcome you to our school and to have a good tour.
This is our Career Services Department. You'll begin working with your Career Services representative early in your career as a student, and you'll continue to work with them through graduation. Your Career Services representative works with local employers and businesses to find those great opportunities for you. They also work with you closely on mock interviews, resumes, cover letter, job leads, everything they can to give you that SCI edge so you can get those great opportunities when you graduate. They'll also be responsible for helping you with your externship. Your externship gives you valuable hands-on experience in the field you are going into.
Hello, my name is George Garza, and I'm the Campus Director for the Southern Careers Institute campus in Pharr, Texas. I want to thank you for being here today, and we hope you enjoy your tour. Thank you for being here.